plane came in a little too fast. That one was a little too speedy, not gonna lie. Alright, Spirit A320 Neo coming in from LAX, Los Angeles. That must have been one boring flight. That must have been one boring flight, not gonna lie. No offense to Spirit, but bro, 6 hours, 5 hours on an A320? Oh god. Alright, 737-700. This one coming in from Boston Logan. So that being just about almost an hour flight from here. Alright, 777-200ER coming in from Houston, Texas. MAX 8. That one arriving in from Tampa, Florida. The sun is kind of in the way, so it's getting blurry. Alright, we have an American A320 coming in here. But we also have a 787. Hold on. That one came from Charlotte, the American. But we also have a United 787 there somewhere lined up to take off. It should be the next one because we just had a heavy takeoff there. I don't know if we could spot the takeoffs really. But that is the 787 Dreamliner. Alright, A321 Neo coming in from San Francisco International Airport. Can't really see it, but it's fine. Alright, A321 coming in from Lisbon, Portugal. There we go. Tap Air. There it goes. Sunset. Alright, so this one right here, sustainable fuel livery of United coming in from Fort Myers, Florida. Here we go. 737 MAX. Let's say this is 737 MAX 8 coming in from Fort Myers, Florida. Alright, we got the beauty itself, the 787-10. My favorite aircraft. My most favorite aircraft. Yup, the beautiful 787-10 coming in from Tel Aviv, Israel. Look at that, wing flex on the wing. That was a huge approach, okay. go. And touchdown. That was beautiful. Alright, A340, can we get from Frankfurt? This is the A340 300. Star Alliance livery. Let's look at this. Star Alliance livery is just so beautiful, bro. Oh yes, with the sunset in the background. Of course. Take a look at the sunset, everybody. It's so beautiful. There we go. Butter. I don't know what the butter actually. Let's go. 767 can we get from London Heathrow. I don't know for what reason, but like the 767 engines are mad loud, bro. Every time I complain about it here, it just goes straight to my ear. The 767 engines. Ooh, almost had a tail strike there. What the hell? Okay. All right, 787-9. Can we get from Los Angeles? Look at that jelly. There it goes. That one was a little higher than expected, but it's fine. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Ooh, butter. Ooh, a little rudder use there. Okay. There we go. Maybe it might have not been a butter landing. All right, here we go. Air Canada Express. Can we get from Montreal? Okay, 777-200. Can we get from San Francisco, California, right here? Here we go, 777. SFO. Here we go. Zoom it in. And there we go. A little windy there. It is quite windy, not gonna lie. The pilot buttered it. That was a beautiful landing. Yup.